What's up, you guys? So in today's video, I wanted to kind of share with you and demo how I do my skincare routine. I will take you through what I use in the morning time and at night, all of the products. And if I can remember, I'll try to list the prices of everything. For the most part, a lot of my skincare products are from either Ulta or Sephora, of course. And yeah, so that is it. I did kind of try to record myself, you know, doing my skincare routine for you guys. So I'll try to make sure to insert those clips as well. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of some skincare products that you guys use. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So for starters, when it comes to face wash, you guys, I have two face washes that I use. Typically, I have been loving the La Roche-Posay purifying foaming cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin. So as you can see, I've used a nice amount of this. First of all, I love how much product you get for the price. This is only $18.99. I did pick this up from Ulta, but I feel like you have so much product in here. I love how it foams up when you are using it, and I just love how I just feel like it doesn't make my skin dry out, or I don't have any of those issues. So I genuinely have been loving this. Another nice simple face wash that I also like to use is the Sephora Clean Skin Gel. So I think this retails for about $12. I haven't used it much since I've picked up the La Roche-Posay, so I'll just kind of, let me see if it'll focus for you guys. But this is a really good one. I like to use this if I'm like traveling. I'll take this one because it has like a easier closing thing. So if like we go to a hotel for the weekend or something like that, I'll take this one. I also like to use this one sometimes if I don't wear makeup the day before, then I'll just use this that next morning as well. But I feel like the La Roche-Posay kind of really gets in there for me. But overall, those are my cleaning products that I use to clean the face. Next up, morning and night, I do go in with, after I wash my face, I go in with the toner. So what I've been using is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. So this at first I wasn't using often. I was just kind of using it here and there. I have used a nice little amount, not much, but I feel like I haven't used it at some point every day to kind of tell if it is doing anything or not. But this has definitely been the toner that I will go in after cleaning. And then once I am done with that toner, I have been spraying with the Kosas Plump and Juicy Vegan Collagen Spray On Serum. So I purchased this serum around the Sephora savings sale in like the, you know, around Christmas time last year. So that is when this was released. This is a firming vegan collagen. It is supposed to lift and plump the skin. But I have been using this thing like every day. There's really not much left because like I said, I do spray it morning and night. So this kind of puts you in the mindset of like how everyone likes to use the Mario Badescu spraying mist. Just kind of add some type of refreshness to the face. That is what I have been using this for, and I just genuinely, I can't even tell you why I love it, but I do. I love the mister on this thing. I don't want to waste my product, but it's a nice fresh scent. I have been loving this, and this honestly, I'm going to add this to my Sephora cart to just purchase a backup because I just feel like I need it. One thing I do, actually going into morning skincare routine. So next, after I spray with the Kosas Spray On Serum, I do go in with the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. As I mentioned this a few videos back, but this one has become my jam. I personally feel like this one is better than the Dewdrops that everybody likes. But I have been putting this serum on. And then, honestly, before that serum, see, I'm missing a step. I go in with the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So I do take a little small pump of this, kind of spread it out and disperse it under the eyes and on the eyelids since it is an eye cream. Then I go in with this serum. I feel like this serum just kind of, it brings some type of silkiness and smoothness to the skin, and I just feel like it lasts longer than the Dewdrops in my personal opinion. And then the last well, the last 2 steps in the morning routine. Of course, I do go in with the same Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I just feel like this just gives your skin just a nice moisture, and I feel like these look so good. I don't have any issues with these under makeup. Another thing I love about this one, this thing is like a little, you could purchase the refillable pod. It is a few dollars cheaper than just buying the whole thing again, and you just pop it right back in there and you're good to go. So this has definitely been my go-to combo. I do, like I said, have other glow recipe products, but these are the standout products for me in my skincare routine. And then last but not least, morning time, I always like to go in with the SPF. So this is the Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 30. I go between this one and the e.l.f. Sun Glow one. It kind of reminds me of the Tula one, so I will go in between that one and this Black Girl Sunscreen. But that is my morning time face routine. Now for nighttime, if I did go in, well, if I do have makeup on, my go-to melting balm has definitely been from Sephora. This is the Melting Cleansing Balm. So I know a lot of people love the pharmacy one and all of that jazz, but I just feel like this one just does it for me. I don't feel like you need to spend too much when it comes to a melting balm. So I typically go in with the melting balm first to remove any makeup, and then I will next go in, of course, with the La Roche-Posay Purifying Cleansing Foaming Cleanser. I do go in with this one after my melting balm. For nighttime skincare, it is very simple. What I will do is obviously still go in with my toner again, and then I will go in with the Kosas Collagen Spray On Serum. So these are definitely in rotation morning and night. Next up, I do use the Truly Glazed Donut Facial Serum. Now, I did pick this up from Ulta during their sale. I think I paid like $27 for this. It usually retails for like $30-something. The reason why I like to use this serum at night is because it is a lot thicker. So I have tried to wear this during the day and under makeup. I did not really have an issue. I didn't notice any separation or anything like that. But I just feel like because this oil is a lot thicker, it just works better at nighttime. Like your skin is really soaking in this product, and I believe that this product definitely, if it does nothing else, my skin looks soft and just very smooth, and it will definitely continue to be a nighttime product for me. And then lastly, I do go in with the Truly Glazed Donut Facial Glow Cream, and this one again, I just feel like it just pairs so perfectly with the oil that it is meant to work with. What I will say, I saw a lot of reviews about people don't like the smell of this on Ulta. It honestly smells a little medicated, like, but it's not overwhelming. And I say that for me. Some people, we have to understand when we are reviewing products, from perfumes to skincare to makeup, some people are a little bit more sensitive to smell than others. For me, this doesn't bother me. I don't think that it stinks. And I feel like obviously once you kind of, you know, blend this in, you don't really notice the scent at all. But I just feel like the way these two give my skin like the perfect hydration at nighttime, it's just, honestly, I don't have anything else like it in my skincare routine. And like I said, I just feel like it just allows those products to kind of soak in overnight, and your skin is just glowing and refreshed. So that is definitely what I use in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, you guys. That is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so very much for tuning in. It was very short, simple, to the point. I just kind of wanted to share some things that I use on my skin, the products that I use to kind of prep my skin before going in with makeup, and what I use to prep my skin at nighttime so that I can have this nice, healthy, glowy skin outside of those every once in a while little, you know, little bumps. But thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Stay safe and be blessed. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.